Welcome to the Toyota Corolla, a stylish, feature-packed hybrid hatchback built right here in the UK. The Toyota Corolla is an award-winning car with over 50 million units sold worldwide. Let's take a closer look. Toyota Corolla isn't just popular, it's multi-award winning. In the UK alone, it's won Best Family Car, What Car of the Year 2024 and 2025, recognised as the best family car. Autocar Britain's Best Hybrid Car 2020, named the best hybrid in the UK. What Car Best Hybrid 2020, praised for its efficiency and driving experience. The Car Dealer's Used Car of the Year, proving its value and reliability in the used car market. During the production run of the current Toyota Corolla, Toyota has been named the Autocar Manufacturer of the Year, reinforcing brand quality and Toyota reliability. With its cutting-edge hybrid technology, bold style and low running costs, the Toyota Corolla continues to be the benchmark for hybrid hatchbacks. The 1.8 hybrid engine is paired with an ECVT gearbox, giving a smooth and efficient drive for excellent fuel economy. Toyota's self-charging hybrid technology means no need to plug in, just drive and enjoy up to 60 miles per gallon, reducing both emissions and running costs. The Toyota Corolla has a stylish and sporty design, complete with 18-inch alloy wheels, auto high beam assist on the LED headlights, and a dynamic front grille. Need some boot space? The Corolla's got a generous boot, perfect for your weekly shops, daily commutes or your weekend getaways. Plus, if you need more space, it's even got split folding rear seats. So whether it's for trips with your colleagues or you've got your family in the back, the rear seats of the Corolla are mega spacious and comfortable. You've got cup holders everywhere, centre armrests, 3-point seat belts. There's rear ventilation so that everybody can stay comfortable and cool in the back, plus USB-C charging for your kids' tablets or your colleagues' mobile phones. But safety-wise, ISOFIX in the rear seats and headrests as well. Very comfortable cabin.
The XL being top of the range also comes with these really comfortable full leather seats with a beautiful contrast stitch which really stands out.
Step inside and you're greeted with loads of driver focus technology, everything from Apple CarPlay, heated seats to a head-up display and a full digital dashboard so you can see everything you need. Safety is a top priority for Corolla with its Toyota Safety Sense system. That includes your lane keep assistance, adaptive cruise control and pre-collision assist as well. And
the reversing cameras and sensors which make parking a dream.
this car is absolutely packed full of features. For a full list, visit our website, link is in the comments. All of our cars come with a 10-year warranty and we have over 100 approved used vehicles in stock. My name's Tom, you've been watching SCC Car of the Week.